In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Picoworkers to earn some extra money online. I'm going to show you the website, I'll show you how to use it, I'll show you their payout methods, we'll even do a task together, and I'll show you how to get paid. Now, if you want to earn some extra money, Picoworkers might be a great option for you. I just want to say first, it isn't going to get you rich, it's not going to even earn you a full-time income online, but it will earn you some extra money here and there, which might be useful to you. So what you can see when you're on the home page, you can see small gigs, big results. Now Picoworkers is a micro task website, and you can complete micro tasks for people, for business owners, and you can earn some extra money. So what we're going to do here is we're going to sign up. Now to sign up, it's very easy. All you need to do is enter in your real name and email, password, and your country. And you can sign up from any different country. Now you can only have one account per user, so make sure you only sign up for one. For that reason, I'm going to log into my existing account. So once you've logged into your account for the first time, you'll see this, and it will just tell you basically the rules. You can agree to them, and you should then be inside Picoworkers. Now this video is an updated video, by the way. A lot of the old interfaces that you've seen they are old. This is the new one, and I think it looks and works a lot better. So what we can do here, at the top we've got find jobs, we've got my tasks, my jobs and wallet. My jobs are going to be ongoing jobs, and tasks are going to be short tasks which you can do to earn some extra money. Now what we can do here is we can go to category and we can filter through different categories of tasks. So if you want a task on, let's say, Twitter, you can just do that, we can apply, and here we'll see all the Twitter tasks. On this one, there's only one result, but if I was to change it to something like video marketing and then click apply, you can see here we've got 125. And you can go through all of these. Maybe you want to just do a sign up task. And let's see here. So for the video, I'm just going to do an easy one. We're just going to do this one here, Reddit post upvote. So we can do this internationally, and 29 people have done this already. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and log into Reddit. We can then upvote this post, and all we've got to do is send a screenshot. Then we've also got to send him our Reddit username. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to this Reddit post and we're going to upvote it. So first I need to log in. Okay, so now I've logged in, we can go and upvote that. So I'm going to upvote it here. And what we need to do is we now need to send a screenshot of this. I'm going to use Gyazo here because it's very easy to install and it allows us to just take a screenshot and upload it to the computer, or to the internet, sorry. So I'm going to download it now. So now I've just downloaded Gyazo. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and open it. So you just click on it here and I can then go ahead and take a screenshot. So I'm going to drag this for the whole screen, which is going to include my username. It's going to show that we've upvoted. It's then going to open Gyazo in a new tab where we have the screenshot. Now we can go back to the job. You can see on the job they want a file and not a link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save the image as. Now I've done that, I'm going to go choose file and upload that screenshot. We're then going to send our Reddit username. So my Reddit username is that. So then after I've done that, I can submit the proof. And now that's been submitted, we will then earn the money from that job after the person goes and accepts it. So we're going to earn that money. It's going to go from pending to earned, and it's going to go into our balance, and we can continue doing jobs while we're waiting for that to get approved. Now, in terms of how you get paid out from Picoworkers, if you go to wallet here, you can get paid out in different methods: credit card, PayPal, Skrill, cryptocurrencies. And there is a limit that you need to earn in your account before you can get paid out. I do believe it is $10. But after that, you can go ahead and get paid out. There are loads of payment proofs. And yeah, again, this isn't going to make you rich, but it will earn you some extra money, maybe $10 to $20 per month by doing some tasks online. I hope that video helped you out. Make sure you do leave a like and comment what you think in the comment section below. Cheers guys, and I'll see you in the next one.